Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at robots. Transforming vehicles, transform your robot. Yeah, these are not Hasbro, these are not Takatomi, these are not-offs, KO, bootleg, Fates, third, fourth, fifth, sixth party type of Transformers, okay? Yeah. So, where did I pick this up at? The dollar store, okay? So if you want to get robots, you can get them at the dollar store, okay? Just, check the dollar store if you want to know where I can, get the robots at. Are they good guys, bad guys? I don't know. They're generic, not of transforming robots, okay? But some pros, some cons, things that I'll tell you about these are, pro, they're $1, so price-wise, excellent, okay? What else can I say that's a pro about them? Now, the quality of the plastic is actually, in my opinion, a pro. Compared to, most, dollar and up stores, some dollar stores, they don't have everything $1. Like, some items are $1, then you look, and right on the same shelf, right next to it, it'd be $3, it'd be $5, it could be $7, it could be $10, and you're like, yeah. So the dollar and up stores, and then there's like 5 and below, or 5 below, which, yeah, their stuff is like, well, what the name of the store is, $5 and below, But like I said, usually when you go to those dollar stores and dollar and up stores, the quality of their Transformers, KO now things are pretty garbage. Very cheap plasticware, you don't even get it out of the packaging, you just let it on the shelf as all the way falling apart. With these, top notch, I would say probably roughly around Hasbro quality of Transformer plastic. Obviously it's not going to be that great of plastic as, Hasbro or Takatomi, but for something that came from a dollar store, that's like a third, fourth, fifth, sixth party KO, not off, fake bootleg thing, it's actually got some pretty decent, quality plastic to it. Paint is okay, I guess. Actually, I might even go ahead and say that the details on, the paint is roughly around the same quality as Hasbro has, because, Hasbro has some of these Transformers that, yeah, it looks like they don't even know how to paint them. Transformation is actually pretty great. There's articulate parts, like turn spins and moves and barrels flips around and stuff, which is great. A lot of panel lining, which is great if you just want to add more paint to it. They do add kind of like SirToys.com, and by that I mean the sense that they don't come with any instructions. It's kind of like, take out the package and figure it out. Oh, that unfolds here. That tabs in here. Oh wow, I didn't know that's how you flip around the head and stuff. It's kind of like a mystery. Although I will have to say some Transformers that they have came out with are kind of like that. I don't really know about the Transformers. Combiner Wars. I haven't bought any of those. Transformers Titans Return, excellent quality. Transformers Power the Primes, avoid that series of Transformer lineup toys at all costs. They're horrible in their directions. The toys that only transform when you do figure out how to use the instructions. I know some people's going to be in the comments, how can you not figure out how to use the instructions? They're Hasbro. I bought a Lear class, evil version of Rodimus Prime / Hot Rod. The instruction said, oh, to flip it from, Rodimus Prime head to spin over to Hot Rod's head, they just was like, take it and turn it and spin it kind of like this. Right? That's what the freaking F instruction said. Just take the head that's on the top here, spin it this way so the other head would be over here. Yeah, the whole thing snapped off. And the instructions didn't say, oh, hold on, you gotta pull it back, then turn it, then push it in forward. No, it just said turn it, twist it, bop it, pass it. You remember bop it? If you don't, well, it was a very annoying game. Kind of like Simon Says, the try game, but a little less annoying. Well, maybe a little more annoying. But anyway, yeah. So, Power to Prime's garbage. This is a Power to Prime. This is garbage. I mean, compared to Titan's Return, yeah, this looks like, you know, maybe a 2-step, 3-step converter, you know. Those little transformers that's like about maybe 10 or 12 bucks that, you know, it's just like, hey, pull this part back. Look, it auto-transform. Pull it down. 3 steps. That's what this one kind of looks like compared to, you know, the actual Titan's Return one. Yeah. But the dinosaur, there's 3 different size categories on these robot series. There's like these little small ones, as you can tell the packaging. Which these ones, I don't know, are like Legends or Warrior class. They're one of them. I know the name got swapped, so it's either Legends that are now known as Warriors, or it's Warriors that are now known as Legends. I don't usually buy these little ones as, you know, real Transformers, but there's that. Then there's this one, which is kind of like their Deluxe class, which is like, you know, standard issue class. And then they had another one there that was like, I guess you could consider it to be leader class, but it just felt like it definitely belonged in the dollar store for the quality of plastic. That's why I did not get their so-called leader class version, okay? But the little mini ones and the deluxe class one, yeah. Size comparison, the little mini ones about 2.5 to 3 inches, while these ones about maybe 4 inches to 5 inches for, you know, one of these. Here's the instructions. Vehicle, robot. So yeah. So, and as you can see, it does, let me bring the camera down a little bit. It does stand on its own. Now it looks like you could get a couple different modes out of this one. So first up, it's not really the official mode, but and, you know, it does have a little ball joint, so that just pop off, you know. You can put it on. It's going to be a little more fiddly. I don't think I had that on right, but I don't, but come on. So we're going to kind of give it like its non-official mode, and kind of make it kind of like a Metatron-ish mode. So this Metatron-ish mode here with the big giant gun barrel, it's kind of like a close-up between the G1 original Metatron that transformed into, you know, the actual gun, and something along the lines of Transformers Armada Metatron. Something like a cross matchup between, you know, like that thing. Paint's pretty good. This one's green, gray, white, and yellow. There is detail on here with panel lines, which is excellent. So this is the unofficial mode. The official mode tells you to pop it like this, which just looks really dumb and stupid. You do kind of have like these little pincher grabby arms here. So that's, you know, pretty cool and stuff. I guess if you want to, you could flip it around and give him like a smaller grabby arm, so you could have like 2 symmetrical grabby arms. You could kind of give him the official one, and then the unofficial Metatron-ish one. So there is things like that. No waist swivel. The head does rotate. Arms and stuff rotate. So ball joint arm. The little socket back there, it's kind of ball jointed. Blades, ball jointed. A little bit of swivel a little bit of toe / heels. So how do we do this? I guess we just put these into there. Like I said, there is no actual step instructions, so I'm just going off of how I would think that would fit in there. So just that, which is going to become the bottom of the tank. Let's see here how we're going to do this. Just like that, although the wheels would be backwards. I'm looking to know there is no waist swivel. So, are the lights on backwards? Okay. Kind of weird. Oops. I know these pieces are supposed to swing upwards and up and inwards to here. Okay, I did get to go down to the white section, so do got to kind of accordion the chest in a little bit. For the arms, bring it in, and then like a true Hasbro one,